Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, I will guide you through how to update Navy Federal Credit Union application on your device. For that, first of all, you have to launch App Store. Then, tap on the search icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Here on the search bar, search for Navy Federal Credit Union. Find the app labeled with Navy Federal Credit Union and go through it. Here, if it says Update button instead of Open, that means your application needs to get updated. Simply tap on the Update button. It will take some time and your application will be updated to the latest version. If it says Open, that means your application is up to date. As you can see, in my case there is Open button. That means I am using the latest version of this application. In this way, you can easily update this application. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.